So this here is the compressor, and at the back of the refrigerator or freezer you will see the condenser, this one here. The work of this condenser is to cool down the compressor. So you can either point the fan directly on the condenser or you point it directly on the compressor. Let's say for some reason you decide to overload your refrigerator or your freezer. It will start malfunctioning to a point that you even think you have damaged your freezer. I will tell you what is going on. Your compressor is overworking itself. Your compressor is overheating. The condenser behind your refrigerator is not able to cool down your compressor fast enough. That is the reason your compressor will be short cycling. Short cycling means when the compressor overheats, the thermostat in your refrigerator will shut it off, and after some minutes your compressor will start again. And the fact that it's still overheating, the thermostat will shut it off again. That is short cycling. So how are you going to solve this problem? It is simple. What you're going to do, get your standing fan or any fan you have in your house, place it directly on the condenser at the back of your fridge. It will help to cool down the compressor, or better still, place the fan directly on the compressor. It will be cooling it down directly. So this is how you are going to effectively cool down everything inside that fridge. So when everything inside the fridge is cold enough, you can now remove the fan and your fridge will be working normally again. So that is it. You can follow this channel if you want to learn how to manage your kitchen equipment, electronics, and house appliances in general. Subscribe.